Alright, what's up everyone? I hope you can hear me. I hope that's not a little funny. That's a little better. Guys, Polkadot, very interesting. Broke out of an ascending triangle. Really seems to be like a bull flag here. In this video, we'll break down Polkadot for you. Talk about what I see happening both short term and long term. So if you like the sound of that, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified new uploads. We'll be breaking down all your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. Let's delve into this. Guys, the market is super crazy. Everything is pumping, but things are in a very precarious state, and Polkadot may indeed be pulling back here. So kind of describe what's been happening. You know, the other day, if you had been following or subscribed to the channel, you would have seen how I was talking about how if Polkadot broke out, we'd likely get over $17. I guess I was wrong because we did more than that. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And right now, we seem to be some kind in some kind of either wedge situation slash descending triangle situation. Now, interestingly, we may be breaking out bullishly, but looking at our indicators on the 6 hour, bearish crossover in the MACD, momentum waves, bearish divergence, stochastic wants to go down, RSI lower highs, RSI making a wedge. If we fall below that green line on the RSI, I think we're really falling. If we look back, oh no, I wasn't supposed to move that. It's okay, guys, relax. The world is still here. If we look back at our MACD, last time we had a bearish crossover on the 6 hour. It was right here the first time, and we went up for a little bit more, but then we corrected afterwards. So what may happen here is because price action is so bullish, the market is so bullish. Maybe we break out, maybe we mess around in these regions, but the fact that we had a bearish crossover on the 6 hour. Oh, sorry, no, this is the 4 hour. Sorry, on the 4 hour. Apologies for that, guys. For the 4 hour, but it's still very significant. It's a larger time frame. I would not be the least bit surprised if we have a bit of a correction if we pull back further. I do think my pitchfork here is valid. We can see how we've kind of been reacting to my pitchfork here and here. So I think to retest, at the very least, the lower extremities of this pitchfork is just a matter of time, in my opinion. $16 kind of makes a lot of sense. If not, I think $15 to $14 will be kind of accumulation zone for me. If indeed we do pull back that far. A lot of sideways price action here, a lot of volume there, and the fact that we had like a bearish crossover on the 4 hour like that is very telling. Very bearish. So let's take a look here at the 1 hour, see if we can gain any more insight. Okay, so very interesting. Now the hourly, let's remove those lines there. The hourly looks bullish, which makes sense. Momentum waves going up. Stochastic wants that leg up. MACD histogram taking up. RSI going up. And we seem to be breaking up bullishly. So what may indeed happen is we go up, maybe get rejected off like the $19 range over here. Jesus, $19 Polkadot, that is insane. It was at like $5 for the longest time. Yeah, so this is extremely interesting, guys. I think we may have a little bit of a leg up in the short term, then have the correction downward. Yeah, I think 1650 kind of, yeah, 1650 makes sense for, this is kind of like my first case scenario for a pullback around this area here. We can see, price found support there before, and that would still be within our pitchfork here. More of a worst case scenario, $15 to $14. That would kind of be when I would be looking to accumulate. I'm kind of sitting back, to be honest. Market seems pretty overextended. Another thing to consider, guys, Bitcoin dominance. Jesus Christ, Bitcoin dominance just keeps falling. Bitcoin dominance is extremely important to consider. Whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, alts suffer. Whenever it dumps, alts typically benefit. So extremely important to understand as well. Bitcoin leads the market. Ethereum leads the altcoin. So it doesn't want to show us Ethereum right now, I guess. But guys, again, very interesting things to keep track of. Bitcoin, if it decides to dump, the market will likely dump. If it decides to pump, it's kind of iffy what can happen because sometimes it sucks from the altcoins, sometimes it allows the altcoins to benefit. So there's a few things to note, guys, as well. Even though we may have a pullback here in the mid to short term here, I do believe that as long as Ethereum is below all-time highs, alt season is still not here yet. So in my opinion, until Ethereum breaks all-time highs, we're early on the good alts. because there's a lot of shit alts out there, guys. You know, there's a lot of alts that aren't going to be here 5 years down the road, but there are a lot that could be. And Polkadot is one of those that, you know, has a good chance of being here 5, 10 years down the road, right? And so holding something like Dot, which by the way I bought Dot at like around $10 or something, $9, and yeah, I'm holding this for the long term because, like I mentioned, as long as Ethereum is below all-time highs, alt season is not here. We're early to the altcoins. So, you know, keep that in mind. This is my accumulation zone. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing, and hitting that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Check out our Discord. Link to join that will be down in the description below. That's it for now. Take care.